Here are some of the many buildings that are used to house the injured birds as they're repaired, and the ones that can sustain themselves in the wild are released. And there are numerous trails, and bird watchers come from all over the world to look for birds. A lot of herons and stuff, and they have a it's in Millington, New Jersey, which is part of Long Hill Township. I went back to the car to get the camera, but also to make a donation. So I'm here with my son and Michael Dupont and his wife Ariana. Here's some of the list of the benefactors who make this possible. These memorials.